We are Sallqa Pacha, the best of nature in your hands. Who are we? We are a Peruvian company dedicated to the processing of our noodles based on the tuber from the Peruvian Amazon pituca, known for its high nutrition. We work with our farmers at the forefront of operation in the order supply chain that offers the best quality. The pituca has high nutritional value, 100 grams, calcium, protein, fat, sodium, calories, dietary fiber, carbohydrates, vitamin C, sugar, iron, vitamin A, zero cholesterol. Benefits of your products: pituca food has the highest use a lot of the energy, help with digestion, helps prevent and control diabetes, promotes age the health, helps protect skin, combats anemia, stimulates the immune system. You can find use in the market closet, your homes, in supermarkets such as the Plaza Vea, Economas, Vivanda, Totut, Cial Economy, and the Mary Mort. We are some in the parts of the world. We have variety of products like the noodles, so for the soup, lasagna, and spaghetti. Do not forget to share the quality and the healthy products with the people you love the most. Sallqa Pacha, the best of nature in your hands.